So Kat bought a camper that we are against our desires renovating, and so we have like 6 days off in a row, and we're spending 3 of those, or we spent 2 already, but 3 of those working on her camper, and then we're gonna go rafting with some friends. So this is the beginning of that week, and we just went paddleboarding at Three Creeks Lake. Super beautiful. We had a couple friends with us, and on the way back we saw this awesome sunset. Makes me wish I had my actual camera with me and not just my GoPro, because it probably looks like tiny and way far away. But anyway, we're looking forward to this really nice, hopefully very fun weekend. It's gonna be hot, but hopefully very enjoyable. So this is the aforementioned trailer that we are doing repairs on. It is like an A-frame pop-up camper, so these walls fold flat and it's very lightweight, easy to tow. Step inside real quick. When we got it, it had a bunch of furniture all in it and stuff, and it was looking good and ready to go. And we discovered some rot on the floor, so we are redoing the floor. We mostly have redone the floor. We just got to put some hardwood on top of it. We're sanding everything down. Today we're mostly taping stuff up and painting it. Some of my tape from yesterday fell, it looks like. Then we'll be building a bed over here, a little kitchen area here, and then a dinette over on this side. While I'm here, I'm going to give you a quick 15-second tour of our shop. Got our chop saw station, big old workbench over here. We've got a little hardware holders. This is scrap wood, sandpaper. Down underneath we have like paints and that kind of stuff. We've got hand tools over there. This is all the stuff we took out of Kat's trailer. Over here's our little kind of kitchen. We've got cups and that kind of stuff. And there's our workspace over there. We have a couple desks right now. It's filled with cushions that came out of Kat's thing. I didn't make it 15 seconds. Kat and I are the first ones to arrive at our rafting weekend. There is a Hawaiian shirt theme that the birthday boy is requesting. So we both have our Hawaiian shirts on. I'm not much of a Hawaiian shirt fan myself, neither is Kat, but I happen to work at Trader Joe's for 9 years, so I have a few Hawaiian shirts that I'll be sporting this weekend, so look forward to that. It's so hot, it's like 100 degrees. Well, now it's like 80, but it's gonna be 100 like most of the weekend. Still the only ones here, but we are cooking up some tacos. We got some meat there.
Barbacoa.
We got some figo de gallo there. Some limes in that bag. Some tortillas here. And we made plenty, so hopefully when people arrive, we'll have some tacos ready for them. First other person to arrive, Lauren.
Hi! Decorating Austin's cake.
Ooh. Good morning. Today's Hawaiian shirt is bacon and eggs, my favorite. And it's just Kat and I again here. Everybody left for rafting and we are sticking around. I was originally gonna stick around to watch the dogs because it turns out it's like 100 degrees today. And then Kat wasn't feeling well and it just kind of worked out because they had an 8-man raft and 9 people going if Kat went. So we just decided to sit it out. We're excited to relax by the river. We're sitting a couple of other dogs and yeah, doing a little cleanup before we go. We are right near some blackberry bushes. Yummy. Oh, tart. we've been hanging out here for a few hours. We are expecting our friends to pass by pretty soon. Dogs are happy in the shade. They weren't very happy down here. My GoPro's all fogged up because there's a crack in the screen right there. And we might not have GoPro footage of our friends going by. So everybody's still out rafting, but when they get back, everybody's planning to head to back to the Bend area to a friend's house. He just moved in, so they're all kind of doing a housewarming thing for him. But Kat and I would like to stay out a little bit longer, so we're going to be actually heading to the coast. So we got about a 4-hour drive, and we're probably going to arrive after dark. We have a friend who's on the coast right now who she said she is having a
Beach bonfire.
beach bonfire. What day is it?
Sunday.
Alright, it's now Sunday morning. We drove to the coast last night, got in after dark, met up with a friend, and hung out on the beach for a little bit, and then slept in this morning. We're going to spend some time on the beach, I think, and then head to somewhere in the woods. We have driven from the ocean to the mountains, and it is incredibly smoky here. There is, what is it, Lion's Head?
Lion's Head Fire.
The Lion's Head Fire, somewhat nearby, and it's really smoky, but we've got a very short hike here. So we are about to head out and see some waterfalls.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Finished our hike, explored around for a little bit to try to find a campsite. We ended up in this big empty dirt lot because a lot of the other ones were all taken or creepy. So we're hanging here tonight. We're going to cook some dinner and call it an evening. And that's about all we have planned. It was a pretty fun, I would say, birthday weekend for Kat.
Yeah. A lot of my favorite things happened, so I'm pretty happy.
We went to multiple different rivers and to the ocean. And
a very nostalgic 80s diner breakfast.
Yeah. So anyway, that's about it.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. That is probably about it for this video, and I hope to see you in another one soon.